Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Who's ready for today? Another very large overnight move. Who would have thought? Man, we nailed the low yesterday, you know? Just didn't move in time during the AM session, and it did during the afternoon. Gave like a 5-minute silver bullet. But I haven't been trading the afternoons because I'm honestly like really my energy is just not there to trade 2 sessions a day. So I'd rather try to just do 1 quality session, and it's okay. So yeah, but what happened overnight is crazy. Like it moved another like 150 points, no problem. Took out that December 2021 high, near the all-time highs now, NQ. It's just incredible how like you could have the right bias and the right entry, but still like the market will delay its move. So yeah, how's everyone doing today? We're gonna do a giveaway today. Kind of excited. So I'm gonna post the first 2 steps of the giveaway, and then later in the live stream we will do the raffle. Okay, so towards like after I take a trade, like towards the end of the kill zone, to reward the people who are watching. So I'm gonna pin the message for the steps. Step 1 is that you have to have make a MyFundedFutures account on their website and know what email you used for that, because later in the stream I'll put out a Google form where you'll have to put your email on there. And then what's the next one? Next, you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. And then the step 3, I'm going to be putting out the form where you submit it. You know, your first name, your email, and your YouTube name, and then we'll do a random draw. I'll make a space after the link. I do have an issue with the link. Oh, link works for me. Thank you for saying that live was nice yesterday. The people already have MyFundedFutures, that's fine. Just like know what email you have for that. The link is not working. Error 404. Really? Alright, I'll try it. We'll put in the other. How do I approach the days in the large move overnight? Typically wait an hour until I take a trade, honestly. Today we have 9:45 high impact news, so let's mark that out. Delete the word step on the link. Really? Oh, okay, I see. I'll do it again. There we go. Alright, try it now. Yeah, because I put a space. I didn't put a space, I guess. Trady Invest, they have like a Discord, and they're pretty good for customer service. So, but anyway, people want to watch ICT Live, they can go ahead. But like I said, like yesterday, he was definitely taking these low probability trades on purpose to like mess with people that are just copying him. Because like we said yesterday on the stream where we went long, he was like about to take a short, and that was honestly really strange for me when he did that. In a discount on the daily range to go short in here. We went long here. So, and there was an SMT where ES broke the low of day. That's bullish, so I think he definitely was doing some things to punish people the newbies that are just like trying to full port his positions. Because he said at the beginning of the live stream, I believe, like, don't follow me, you will be sorry. And people followed anyway, so what can you do? But like, we stayed safe on the stream yesterday, and we got a small win. Would have been like if the market moved quicker to my target, but c'est la vie. That's all you can do sometimes is just say that's life. Yeah. So like, anyone who's like, why do you guys think he's gonna do something else today? You can watch two streams at the same time, for sure. But I'm not gonna watch it because it's just too distracting for me. Because I'm, trading my own ideas anyway. Like I said, like I went long when he was like, I'm gonna take a short. And that's happened before on this live stream, right? When he was like watching on my live, and then he typed in, after I went long, he was like, I went short actually. And then, that just messes with you. So just let the probabilities work out and take the trades that you think about. For me, the structure is not even nice for me to even care about it right now. Like, it's just a simple freaking rips without any retracements, without any clean fair value gaps. So, or order blocks, so that kind of sucks, So I'll just wait. That's all I have to do. Is wait for it to generate the liquidity and wait for some sell side or buy side to be taken and just wait. Yeah, I did see that tweet that there was 150 orders on his stops, but I don't really know how much of that was actually his students because, Bookmap is actual live orders, right? So 150 ES orders. It's possible if like 60, I'm just thinking because like, most people are doing these simulated accounts on like these prop firms, like, and however, there's definitely like probably at least 150 people that took it on their personal accounts. Ken Neal, you're so funny. Tanya, what's this leopard shirt you were going to wear on Friday with Patrick? Yeah, on Friday, we're gonna do a collab. I'm gonna be down in Florida, and I'm gonna be going on Patrick's live show. And on his Fresh Cash Fridays, he wears a leopard shirt. I actually have a leopard blouse, like a button-down blouse, nothing crazy. Well, why not? It's Fresh Cash Friday. We have like the same headphones too, right? So I think it would be kind of funny. All for fun. It's so cold up here in New York. It's like 30 degrees every day. And it's so dull, so overcast every day. I'm like, blah. Like how they say like you should get sunlight in your eyes first thing in the morning. I was trying to do that. I've definitely bailed on that. So sucks for me because it's it's not helping with my sleep or my mood or anything, but like what are you doing? It's so cold and dull outside. Force yourself, I guess, or you get a sad lamp. I have a sad lamp, but forget to use that too. Yeah, 30 Fahrenheit. We're Americans in here. Celsius 30 degrees is like what, like 85 90. I like Fahrenheit for like humans because it's like 0 to 100 in like smaller increments. You totally know how you feel. But for me, I'm like, the Celsius is like, okay, I know 0 is like freezing and like 30 is like hot. 33 is really hot. It's like 30 is like guess 85, and like 33 Celsius is like 90. So it's just like, I don't know. What's 20 or 25? I don't know, but in my head, I know exactly how much 70, 75 is, It's better for humans, I think. Celsius is more for like water. 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. So let's do, and then like for Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Fahrenheit is the fever for people. Anyway, up or down or open. I'm gonna have to match his energy and make weird sounds. We have fun on this channel too. Yeah, I know he's not interested in ICT strategy. He's being problematic again on Twitter. I'm like not happy about it. Like, well, he just does that for engagement. Like, you can literally see how many followers he gains just by like tagging ICT in this stuff. But cool thing is, like, now I have like I think I have like 1,000 more followers than Patrick at this moment, or maybe even more. We just hit 17K on Twitter, which is funny. We're almost at 10K on Instagram, which is cool. We're growing just so fast, you guys. It's crazy. It's cray. Like my reels have been hitting on Instagram, like those like little short clips. What's my Instagram? It's the same thing as here. Tanya Trades. No spaces. Don't follow any of the fake people. Trading Invest. Yeah, you can use code Tanya Trades to get 24% off MyFundedFutures. If you're getting the starter account, use SP50 though. That's 50% off. Do I have leftover COVID cough? No, but I think like in the morning I always have a little bit of a cough. To probably just like feel like that's like pretty normal in the morning for people to have some like cough. So if you already have an account with MyFundedFutures, you should be good. Just like know which email you used. Why do you guys ask me how long I've been coughing for? Like it goes away later in the day. It's literally just probably like from just morning shit. What do I do? It's open, so let's see what happens. Anyway. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. What's the temperature here? It's like 35. It's like pretty much around freezing every day. Anyway, so nothing really so far interesting at open. We'll see if we tap the all-time highs at open or not from BADJ. Can UK residents open an account? I think so. Yes. Let me like text them. That's what's cool about this company is like it's a startup and they have good customer support. So like I'll literally like tell one of them to come into chat and request them, not tell them. Request. Some of my viewers are saying, did you say account failed or request failed? It doesn't have to be with the same YouTube email. Like when I put out the form later, I'll just ask you what your YouTube channel name is. Or like the link to your YouTube channel. Yeah. Got the chair. Yeah, I got the chair. This new chair in the mail. It's insanely comfortable, you guys. Like, it's almost too comfortable because when I lay back, sometimes you guys have asked me, is she sleeping? Someone wake her up. But like, that's London lows are like all the way here, so it's not equal lows there. What software is this? This is NinjaTrader. I like using NinjaTrader for my trades. I feel like the executions are much easier to put in. Like when I put in a trade, I can automatically have like 20 point stop, 50 point take profit, so I don't have to worry. And then like I'll just drag the lines. It's called like the Advanced Trade Management ATM. A lot of you have been asking me, how do I copy my trades? And I will put out that video today. And I got the discount for you guys. It is $200 for the trade copier one time, but I got a discount, 20% off, Tanya 20. The link is in the description if you use NinjaTrader. It's called Replicanto, that's what I use. So it's like a one-time fee of $160. But you know, totally worth it for me. When I paid for that, like, it's covered itself every time I've copied my accounts. I think like the Forex companies, I think they have like monthly subscriptions. Yeah, Ninja's faster. It doesn't have such a delay on trade. Like you said, like I noticed actually my Ninja moves faster. The data moves like a millisecond or a few milliseconds faster than TradingView. Like the bars load and everything faster. Hello, Lewis. Yes, hit the like button. How to participate in the giveaway? It's pinned. So you guys said 50-50 up or down. Nothing really happened. Ahmed, if you already have an account with them, like, don't worry, you just have to. That's fine. If you already have an account, you're good. If you don't have an account, make an account. That's a good thing you said, William Jimenez. In the end, success comes from the confidence you have in yourself and step-by-step checking that the way you look at the market gives you more hits than misses. That's true. Or just like seeing that your strategy wins over time, because some people do have like lower than 50% win rate, but they have a high RR. It's up to the person. I think most people psychologically can't handle that, so yeah, more hits than misses. So, yes. Do I use weekly profile? So Tuesday's high of the week, Wednesday reversal. I do use weekly profile. So typically by Wednesday, you know which it's narrowed down to one. Well, I mean, obviously it's Wednesday high of the week if it reverses, not Tuesday. Because look at the daily. Today's Wednesday. So yeah, DXY hit the high side, completely just dropped lower overnight. I feel like all of the moves have been just like London. London session. Yeah, we might hit 20k subs today. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. I don't have confetti. We did confetti for 15k. But I don't have confetti for today. We'll gotta see, I don't know if it's gonna happen during the live stream, but maybe today. Oops, sorry. But maybe today. I'm excited. What did I want to say? Oh yeah, I wanted to see the countdown or the count up. Okay, so looking at the 5 minute, it took some like some liquidity here. Like, you know, the way that you look at it is supposed to be like the lows before 8:30 also. So this is like a swing low. So it took this swing low before 8:30. Let's call this SSL. And I saw that more on this ninja. So that's cool. La papa. Did you guys see ICT's back on Twitter? Like recently he's made a few posts or replies. It's a little scary for me. I don't know. I'm just like, oh my god, it's been so long. I'm kind of scared. I don't know why. Yes, then did it take that low? No. Oh wow. We might hit the 20K today during the stream actually. That's kind of crazy. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. What do you guys think? We'll have that here just for fun while we look at the other charts. Institutions doing, yeah, consolidations for building. Yeah, I do think that they are like building liquidity right now. So I'm not that interested in anything right now. I mean, like we have news at 9:45. So we're almost at 2,000 followers. How do I make this like better? Here, like this is better. Oops. Yeah, this looks better now. All right. Anyway, I think that's sell side. ES, not so much. ES is up 0.5%. YM is a stronger structure, but it's up 0.4% on the day. That's why I don't trade YM. I just don't understand what's going on there ever. This is like the last 4-hour candle low also, right? Yes. Right? Oh. Well, I mean, technically the 6 to 10 a.m. candle isn't formed yet. So never mind. But it took like the last hourly candle low. Yeah. Such a large range for that hour here. I'm not really interested in anything right now. Like, I'm not, I would have to long in such a deep premium, and it's not even like news yet. And you know, it's not much sell side has been taken, honestly. I'll wait. I'll wait. Why does it say, I'm gonna say it says user registration failed to these guys. Let me see. It might be like, what country are you from that like user registration failed? Because they have some banned countries for futures that Forex don't have, but um that might be a reason. But I told them just now, like, if they want to come to the chat to help out, we'll be on until like 11 today. But they're pretty good customer support. Honestly, I like their Discord, their customer support. They've solved stuff so quickly for me. At least some sell side has been taken. It's not really anything crazy. I don't like it because it's like jagged. This is jagged. Yes, there's an SMT there actually. You know, I've made that mistake I think earlier this week where I just like longed in too much of a premium. See, this is SMT here. DXY is just, I don't know. It's still consolidating in this area. Now it's going lower. It's like a daily outlook I had. The fact though is that it hit this bearish order block and has retraced, and now it's like closing below this lows. We'll have to see what happens here. Took the sell side yesterday, went back up. Just difficult structure to work with. It's jagged up here. Guess it could go for to fill this little gap. You see this like gap up it did for him a while ago? I'm gonna like put a little alert there, right? Like gap filled. Okay, we have news in 1 minute. Okay, looks like it's dropping lower for that 9:45 news for the first reaction. I'm really am trying to just like take only good quality trades, you know, because in reality, like trading is not like a thing where like, you know, you come in and you make $500 every day. It's more like you try to stay safe in like poor conditions so that like when your good conditions come in, then like you know, you really hit it off and then you like size up a little bit. And then like you make more of your money in those like high conviction, good condition plays. Like some people say like, oh, I make 80% of my money for the year in like only like 3 or 4 months out of the year from like 4 or 5 months of trading. So it's really about not messing up during those other months, saving your mental capital for when the time is right, you know. And January's not been an easy month so far, but I've been pretty good about like staying safe in that manner, I think. Yeah, no blowing accounts. It really is, I think, like, you know, when you see those trades where it's like, oh, it's so good, like, you know, you see an order block in the fair value gap, like clean structure and retracement into the OTE zone, the golden pocket zone, you know, and you see clean equal highs or like a obvious draw in liquidity on the daily, and you know, that's when you size up, or when you got to make sure that you're around for those times, essentially. Not like that you blew your account in the low probability conditions so that now during those good times, you're just trying to pass an eval and you're not making actual money during that time. It's happened to me. It's not fun. Not fun at all. So yeah, it's just a game to play, honestly. Not a game, but like, you know, it's just so different than just walking in and getting like a steady salary or wage. So yeah, we get paid for our decisions, not the time at the desk. Tanya crashed the internet. What happened? Yeah, I did not make that mistake yesterday. I really did choose like such a good quality trade. We literally, I'm telling you guys, we like nailing the low of the day like 2 or 3 times this like past, no, like 3 or 4 times the past 2 weeks. But like the issue is like, oh, I got that good entry during the AM session, but it doesn't move until like afternoon or overnight session. So like I take a time stop, or I just like whatever. Maybe I on a couple times I actually made a mistake and I missed my initial entry and then I like chased and then got stopped, which is awful. But like I definitely review those trades. But yeah, last couple days been really good on the entries, right? Like yesterday, what was the game plan here? I'll show everyone who was not here. Essentially took this London low, had an SMT here of ES, and we had called out, I said, okay, this is a market structure shift that I'm counting because it's a inverted fair value gap before taking sell side. And then I waited for the optimal trade entry. And I did talk about how when I expect these deep retracements in high resistance conditions, this is when I'm definitely not taking like a fair value gap long in a premium, right? Because you got to take, this is like essentially at that point, this is the daily range, right? Then retracement to OTE, optimal trade entry. Really good series if you have not watched it. I mean, it's literally like, what, like 12 episodes and they're pretty short. Order block here and fair value gap. Got in long here. Unfortunately, like, you know, I was going for these equal highs. I just cut my trade by the time stop of like 11, which was here. Got just like 10 points and market didn't go anywhere, right? Until later in the afternoon. Then it just started ripping. Right? So there was a silver bullet in the afternoon, but I wasn't around. I just don't have the energy to do two sessions right now. Very much still getting acclimated to YouTube. I have so much content I have to like put out also for like regular videos, so stick around for that. But keep an eye out for that. But it's definitely like, you know, tough. But like let's see, like 2 to 3 yesterday for silver bullet, right? So honestly, there was like a easy entry on the 5. Like that's probably what I like to do is like think about like, okay, now you actually have like a market structure shift here on the 5 minute, right? After hitting like a point of interest on like the hourly essentially, which is London low is on the hourly. So you can look for a market maker model on the presenting itself on the 5. And here you have a short-term high that's broken. Just take the leg, try to enter in the discount. There is this fair value gap in discount, right? So literally just like enter here. This would have been less than a 20-point stop, right? And this was some obvious buy side liquidity. Probably could go for that one. So would have gone out for like essentially like 4 p.m. or 3.5 hour. But This is just reviewing it, or you could have waited for, you could have done on the 1 minute, right? Some people really enjoy doing that, and waited for that retracement into that point of interest, right? And you wait until 2 p.m., 2 to 3 p.m. And this is your silver bullet entry here, right? It took out this short-term high, because we don't break a short-term high until here. There's a very shallow retracement to this fair value gap. But again, it's like literally 12-point stop. For like whatever you want to do. If you're being perfect, that's 4R here, but like, probably would have gone for like this 2R. But yeah, that's just like a little bit of a review. The afternoons have been better. So now we're back here. 10:53. What happened at 9:45? Not much during that news. This looks like really just trash action. There's no like speed to get anywhere really. Let's look at the ES. It's taking some like sell side here. I don't know what this is. What did I mark out on this? This is like something old. Is this like all-time highs? No, this is like filling in like a fair value gap. Okay. We put January highs here. But no, this is just like a swing high on the daily up here. But this is like hitting some like old order block, whatever. Doesn't really matter so much. I don't think I would even have that on. It doesn't matter. I don't think that matters. Okay. This was open, right? So you have your bearish SMT. It's not much else really. Yes is going lower, right? As NQ is just like higher, grinding higher. There's no like displacements or anything where I'm like interested in getting in anywhere. Okay. YM's just dripping lower. They're all still green on the day. That's the issue when you have like a large overnight move. It's like, is it gonna really move that much during New York AM session? Likely not. We'll see if we get some sort of silver bullet entry for anything. But I don't really see like any sort of entry for me yet. Yeah. It's basically a barcode again this morning. Like, what can I say? You guys, we need to start trading London session. That's it. Like, change the sleeping schedule. I do feel like whenever the market gets like close to these like draws on liquidity, like all-time highs or these buy side liquidity, I do think that they just move it overnight to get like, so that they don't give us a chance. A lot of I just really have, that's what I've seen so many times, like the market just moving overnight during London or Asia instead of New York. over the years I've seen that happen. Yeah, like my patience. I appreciate that. Like I said, like, you don't need much to make money. You just need like to be patient and wait for your trading plan to develop according to what you want to see in the market, and just stay out of the low probability conditions until then. That's what I think. So yeah, hit the like button on the stream. It helps me out. But like I said, like like I'd rather have played the afternoon session yesterday. I wish I had the energy for that. That would have been better than the New York the AM. But it's fine. It's fine to miss moves too. It's like, all right, like still like DXY is not really in our favor, where it's like obvious liquidity for DXY. When you see DXY like running towards this like equal highs, and then you see it retrace into like a bullish structure, while the indices are retracing into like a bearish point of interest after the structure shift, and like, for example, like a bearish fair value gap or a breaker on like ES, while DXY is retracing into a bullish fair value gap, and then that's like chef's kiss, like, mwah, amazing. High probability conditions, you can go in and like, knowing like, yeah, it's a high probability that my trade is going to work out. But now it's like, when DXY is consolidating, or just like not clean structure really, it's just a lot harder. And it's more likely that like you'll get stopped out. Like, I don't know what the hell this is, like coming back into this like order block, it's likely to drop off. It's just being really slow. There's no entry for me anywhere. I'm good. Why don't I do afternoon lives? Because honestly, I'm still getting a hold of YouTube and used to it, and it's a lot of energy to just do one live stream a day. For like, you're talking nonstop for 2.5 hours and like reading chat and focusing on charts. It takes a lot of energy. So I haven't even traded afternoon sessions myself. I'm still getting acclimated to YouTube essentially, and live streaming. Nasdaq is full of chop. Yeah, it's classic January action. I sometimes do watch Cammy, yeah. I'll pop in other live streams occasionally, but I'm not really like trading. Like, I'll see it on my YouTube. I'll pop in, make a donation sometimes. Online shopping is probably cheaper than trading this, Chop. That's so funny. Oh. Yeah, I should have a private live stream for members only, where I don't talk much, just outline price. Like that's definitely a something I'm thinking about, and it can definitely happen like in the afternoon, like just members only, and just annotating. It's a lot chiller, less chat to keep up with. Yeah, it's definitely in the works. Do I only trade NQ? No, I trade ES also. I've taken ES recently. It's been pretty good. Like a few times. Yeah, I appreciate you, Gene. Yeah, it is a lot of pressure to trade, to live stream, nonstop talk, keep up with chat, and stay calm. Yeah, it is. It's a lot of work, and yeah, it's a lot of emotional work too, right? Like just trading with in itself. and like keeping cool under pressure. And then it's like another thing when you're trying to do that in front of like 2,000 people, and then you also get some people like analyzing you under like a microscope. Like I think that my I wear contacts, and I think like sometimes my eyes get a little dry, so it like maybe like looks like, I don't know, dry or like reddish. And then I'm like calm and talking, and then I look over, I see people saying like, is she crying? And I'm like, I'm genuinely just like confused. But like you see like people just analyze you under a microscope. But that came with the game. Like I said, like before, like I got my start on Twitter, and I did not show my face at all. It was just like a picture of me in like a sunflower dress facing a sunflower field. It wasn't like my face. And I would just post like my trades and my notes and stuff. And I didn't have, I got to like 6,000 followers on Twitter, and a lot of my friends, my trading friends, were encouraging me like, start YouTube, do a face reveal, etc. And I thought about it for months before I started this YouTube, like since like June, right? And I started the YouTube in like October. And then I only started live streaming like end of December. So, and in October, I was thinking about live streaming. So it was a lot of like me thinking about like, okay, do the ends justify the means? Is it worth it? And I decided to do it. But it was a lot of thought was put into it. So during those like months, I did like prime my brain to like be ready, like knowing like, okay, it's that you're putting yourself in front of the internet. Like there are going to be people hating on you just for you existing, or people who just feel intimidated. So that was helpful, and just like the fact that I didn't just like go into this without any forethought. So I did like prepare myself mentally, but I did not like, obviously it's like a workout. Like you're not like, your muscles aren't developed yet for like energy wise and like, talking um and things like that. So that's still an adjustment. I'm from Italy, so London session is in the morning. Would you trade NQ? There's less volume and volatility. Yeah, people do trade NQ during London. It is less volatility, so you'll have to like wait like an hour or so for your target to hit, but I've seen people trade it. Interested to see if this gets inverted or not. I don't know. I'm just marking that out. It's like the first like clean fair value gap displacement in a while, right? Broke these like lows with a fair value gap. 10 a.m. now. What are my thoughts of Silver Bullet during London Killzone? That's like from 2 to 3 a.m. I've seen it work out a bunch of times, right? Or is it 3 to 4 for London? I think it's 3 to 4, right? Because it's like typically London opens at 2, and Silver Bullets are like an hour after the open. DXY is pushing up. Let's just see this reaction, like I said. Where's like more, I don't know, that's the thing. It's like, where's like the sell side? Where's the draw on liquidity? You're playing with like a trend line draw on liquidity. It's so difficult. No, I don't see anything clean. That's always a step one. It's like, step one, what is the draw on liquidity? I just have London low marked out. It doesn't mean it's going to go there. I'd rather it like generate liquidity first, and then I'll think, This is inverting this essentially right now. It's not a good high probability trade for short. Like what it could do is like slowly make a lower high, I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm not interested. How do you transition from Forex to futures? You make a futures account. There's not much to transition. I actually think like I'd never really traded Forex, and I think that futures are just a lot easier to calculate position sizing, right? It's like very simple. Meanwhile, Forex lots, I have no idea how that works. I don't know how. I've like, when I've asked people how they calculate it, they're just like, oh, I've done it a few times where I've done like a small amount and now I just like know. Like, well, I don't know what that even means. But like for futures, it's so easy. It's like NQ, 1 point is $20, right? And ES, 1 point is $50. On micros, MNQ, 1 point is $2. ES, 1 point is $5. It's very easy to calculate position sizing. Okay, so very interesting to see this fail like that. I'm happy. I said that was a low probability trade. Now we'll see what it does. I don't know. It's really just garbage. It's interesting now it just like decides to just ramp up suddenly like that. See some more questions. You just do eyeline calculators? Okay. I feel like that's still like a lot. Did ICT actually go short there, you guys? No way. Did he? You guys let me know. You guys are the ones watching. That's a little weird. Oh my gosh. I said wait for the reaction. This is why who's been here the past couple of days. Yesterday we did amazing. We didn't get chopped out today. We're already doing amazing simply just by not taking a trade. We're doing amazing. Yeah, I do think, I mean, I remember last year when he would do these lives, like it would always be in the high resistance conditions like this, and it would just always be awful price action. It wouldn't work out. And yeah, for me, when I was a newbie, I was trying his trades and I was blowing accounts. Sometimes you have to learn your lessons the hard way. I have. I've probably learned almost every lesson the hard way. And I think that you probably do have to most of the time learn your lesson the hard way, because otherwise you don't get the message. Right? Like honestly they always say like learn from other people's mistakes. You can, but like are most people actually that responsible? No. I'm trading so hard that like you always give into your impulses, so anyway. Inverted. One for this. Probably gonna make a lower high here. I wouldn't go long here either. As ES still dripping lower. And YM is still dripping lower. You know, I wouldn't be surprised YM goes like for Asia lows. Put an alert for YM Asia lows. Yeah, he was trolling yesterday. He's probably trolling today too. He told everybody like, you know, if you are following him, you'll be sorry. So why would you? I don't know. People don't listen. Yeah, ES is holding up for now. Like I said, like when you look at this chart, right? When you look at this chart, this is ES. You tell me, where is the draw on liquidity? Where is the draw on liquidity? This is just, there's all this trend line. Oh, wrong. So when I just don't like trading, it's like trend line liquidity. So like it could technically stop here, could technically go here. Doesn't have to. It can go here and then reverse. Like, I don't know. I don't know. So I will just wait. You know, especially like, yeah, I'm not going long. Look at the hourly. It's like such a large range. Now to like go all the way back up here for ES, that's such high resistance. Rather it like wait, make more lows, make obvious lows are equal highs, and then do it, you know, go for it later. Like wait for the setup. I don't know. Now you have, you know, NASDAQ is just doing what it wants to do. There's ES. Like technically, did it break the London low? It was like London low session where it started. You can like mark that out, but it's not like a significant low. It's just like where London started. Look out swing low into London session, but look how much further down it went. I don't know. So I'm saying when you don't know, and you can frame it both ways, just like don't do anything. You go into a trade when you see it and you're like, oh, that's my model. Oh, that's my A plus setup. Like boom, you know, I have to take it type of feeling. Yeah, I'm not comfortable doing a long here. And Q such a premium, and I'm fine for missing out on that. Like I know another trade will happen. Sure, it took some sells, like the smallest sell side, which is like a swing low before 8:30, and then, you know, did a lot of chop, chop, chop. Now it's pushing up. Like, okay, that's fine by me. What it can do now is like make another bearish SMT with ES. After it hits all-time highs, we'll see. But like I said, when you see like just like a push up like this, 10:15 alarm. You see just like a push up like this, no really balancing or anything, like you can anticipate deeper tracements. Like there's no like solid bases formed. I like to see like the bases formed. Okay, all-time highs and Q hit. It's a beautiful thing. Hey, at least I wasn't shorting the top to all-time highs. Up 1% on the day right now. Let's see how the market looks like. Not really that interesting. AMD is up huge, so the chips are up. Nvidia, wow. Nvidia just keep going up and up forever. Otherwise, the whole other market is pretty quiet. ICT said there's shenanigans go on, yeah. So you just wait for your setup. You just hold on and stay safe. But that's what I'm doing. Let me just ask a question. Oh yeah, you guys, or whoever's just like coming in now, we're doing a giveaway today. Just it's the instructions are pinned. In about like 30 to 45 minutes we'll be commencing it after the silver bullet kill zone's done. We'll be, oh my gosh, this is fun. I don't know how I did that. Oh. It's kind of fun. Someone coming into the stream now is gonna be like, "What is she doing?" Okay. I don't know what I was gonna draw. Forgot. Yeah, I'm not trusting this at all. This is probably gonna retrace deeply whenever it's done, but we don't know when it'll give us, if it'll even give us an entry or anything. Yeah. Nothing clean. That's fine. No really entry to get long here. So yeah, there's a lot of theories about what ICT is doing now, which is fun. It's fun to guess. It's fun to guess what he's doing. Like maybe he's trying to troll and make more people say that he sucks at trading and whatever, so that he can show them up in February. Maybe he's just, making a point to his students, don't copy him, making a point what's going to happen when you enter trades in low probability conditions, high resistance liquidity runs. Yeah, like I said this yesterday, that I literally predicted that this action, like this kind of action, is going to continue on for the next few days, where New York AM session is just so difficult, because typically when you come up to these levels and the market doesn't really, there's no more points of data to really reference, now it has to generate its own liquidity. And so now the market is in new territory and has to sort of consolidate. So then it's going to be harder conditions, right? Price discovery is what they call it. Price discovery. The market is in price discovery mode. Yeah, there's so many theories. Some people, it's so interesting how you have these people like ICT, you either love him or you hate him. They're quite polarizing. That's what I've seen. People either love him or hate him. The same thing with Patrick. You either love him or hate him, or you think he's funny, or you think he's you don't like him. Tony Tico says no trades unsub. Okay, that's fine. Good riddance. You don't have to announce your departure. It's not an airport. Yo, it's funny when I make the chat laugh. Hola Tanya, que tengas un hermoso día. Oh. Hi Tanya, have a nice day, beautiful day. Thank you. Did he, oh, he went long? What did ICT do? Did he go long here? He's taking shorts. Stop that on what? He went... I just don't understand what he's... if he entered a trade. What did he do? He went long in ES? I don't get it, you guys. I mean, you don't have to get it. We can look at ES now. And what I see... if I were to predict what were to happen... Now people are going crazy because of that, right? Right. He probably marked out this or something. This is technically a mitigation block, sure, but there's no fair value gap lined up with it. If anything, this is high. It's interesting. There's a volume imbalance here. If anything, this is the buy. More likely than not. Right, because this actually balanced here and then ripped up. So that would be the buy. But if we're in high resistance conditions, like I said, we're probably going to take that out too. I don't know. There's bearish SMTs, which also has me not want to take that long either. But like, I mean, at least like mark this out and like take it in the discount range. Like you could like show 50% here, right? I don't know. It's not even worth it for me to put the risk down, right? With my real money. Like we can mark it out here, but like I don't even think that this is safe. Because look, there's London session low. Yeah. I don't know. You say you don't know, like me, like just now, it's like just don't take it, you know? Like when I look at the market, I'm like, like why would I put down money for that then, for that type of confidence, you know? Because sure, yeah, actually, like it inverted this market structure shift, retrace, went back up, but I don't even think this low is safe. It could come back. Yeah, I'm not taking that. We can watch and see what happens. We're almost at 20K. Oh my god. So fun. We're almost there. I don't know, you guys. Should I keep streaming until I hit it? Might be here for a while, though. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, some people like watch me to see like how I trade. Some people like watch me just for the vibes from the patience and being a little bit more calm. Like you have some people not as calm on their streams. How long I've been YouTubing? Literally only since October. Don't raise your hand if you don't know the answer. That's funny. Yes, keep treat. Maybe they will come. Yeah, maybe after 11. We'll see. Okay, yeah, we should keep streaming until we hit 20K because it'll be fun. Yeah, only since October I started my YouTube. I mean, actually, no, I did start it in June, but like I only put like some like trades that I took, but like really like taking it seriously October. Like October is when I had 1,000 subscribers and I did my like little face reveal. Like it's pretty funny. ICT is mad. Like, cause now it stopped him out and then now it's going to Target. No way. Yeah, maybe. I would be mad too. Remember what happened yesterday? I'm not below that. I'm not beneath that. Did it even retrace to 50% here? No, it wouldn't have even given me my entry. It's a low there for ES. Right, I'm just like looking at this leg because this leg like took this swing high out. Mitigation block ends like here. So like we can highlight that, sure. Like this is technically a breaker, but when a breaker is like so far from the low, then it's a mitigation block. But like, did it retrace if it when this is a fair value gap here? So I don't know why he would have went long, like gone stopped. I don't know. But like I said, I don't even trust this, honestly. I'm not gonna go long here. It's just it's not really showing willingness like a speed type of thing. And did it hit 16? Would I have even gone filled? It hit exactly 16. So 50-50 on whether you would have gone filled. I think on these like funded, I mean on the sim accounts on prop firms, you would get filled if it hits that exactly, but like most live accounts, I don't think so. I'm not sure. I think it has to go through it, right? Because if you're like buying the sell at the bid, it's a tiny spread of it's like one tick, but yeah. That's what's nice about futures is like the spread is so small. So like if you had put in like 0.25 one tick, you definitely would get filled. So we can just watch and see, but I like this volume imbalance more than anything else. I'll just watch it. I don't need to be part of it. ES is like pretty much cleaner than NQ nowadays. You can see, okay, did it take out 15-minute swing low before 8:15 or 8:30? Yes, this is technically swing lows into this, like, whatever you want to call this, volume imbalance. Yeah, technically. But like I said, like, I think it's such a large range like that. It's like low probability. Large range overnight move. I will watch that if the long works or not, but I don't want to take it. It's not my prerogative. We're almost there. We're almost at 20K. Insane. Miha Islamovic. Tanya, where are you from? My parents are from Croatia. I'm born in Queens. New account creation currently down. I'm gonna like tag them to come in here. Let me put that. They are saying new account creation currently down. Yeah, I'm Croatian. You were having trouble buying new accounts yesterday for what it's worth? Oof. I like literally just like send that to their chat. Dobar dan. Good day. Dobar dan. Yeah, we did crash it the last time we did a giveaway, but like that's why I was trying to make like a step 1 at the beginning of the stream to make that counts, and then step 2 is like we just do the giveaway. So I was hoping like we don't crash it. And today we have like less viewers too, which is kind of funny. Yeah, Leon Lion Mahone, essentially, because I don't like we crashed a website. I'm not doing it that much. Not trying to do it. I don't know. I tagged them to come in there to go fix it. Many already hit their daily drawdown. Anyone who's getting an error, kindly try again. I think they just posted that in their Discord. They said they're checking it. That's why I like they're getting on it right now. That's why I like startups, is like they're so quick with it. But yeah, I'm not like exclusive with them, but they offered like to give some accounts for giveaways, so that's why I do it. And I get to choose which accounts to give away, which kind. So last time while the static was still available, I chose that one because it was pretty nice, like drawdown to target ratio. And then now the reason why I chose the expert accounts is because there's no activation fee. That's what's good about them. It's like after you pass, you don't have to have like a minimum amount of trading days or maximum amount of trading days. So like you could technically just have like 3 good trading days and then just wait 14 calendar days to pass and then take your payout. Right? You trade on a different account and you just wait and then you take your payout. That's how most like Forex firms work. I don't know why a lot of future firms are pretty strict with the way that they let you take a payout. So that's what I like about them. It's like you don't have to force a trade like if it's not there, right? Just take your high probability setups. And you can on the export accounts, like there's no limit to how much you can like withdraw. Also, like let's say you made like $10,000 and you want to withdraw 8,000 of it, you can do that. I like their dashboard too. I mean, that's just like me explaining like why I like them. I'm not like signed to them. Like some influencers, they sign to different prop firms to be exclusive, and then they get like a salary essentially. I'm not signed to anyone. So I can like I'm kind of free to like talk about the pros and cons of each one, like what each one like offers in terms of like the whole prop firm industry, like their advantages and disadvantages. So free agent here. Do you need to pay for CME data fee? No. The only time you need to pay a data fee for these prop firms is if they decide to move you to a live account. And that happens when, if like you're a good trader and you get chosen, you know, to get moved to live, then you have to pay a data fee. But most people don't get moved to live. No, you don't have to pay CME data fee for the market data fee for those firms. Yeah, also the daily drawdown, they calculate the drawdown at the end of the day. There's a few firms that do that, like Top Step also does that. I'm still affiliated with Top Step as well. I think the really good advantage with MyFundedFutures is that like the payout policy is like every 14 calendar days. Like some people might be impatient or whatever, but actually it's better than wanting your payout like immediately after a certain amount of trading days, and there's a restriction on how much you can take out or whatever, right? It's a month it's a monthly thing for futures prop firms, because the reason why it's like monthly, um meanwhile like some forex ones I think is just like one time but they're more expensive, is because these prop firms, when you don't have to pay the data fee, but they have to pay the monthly data fee. So then they pass that on to you through that monthly fee. Well, Forex they don't have data fees like that with CME and whatever. Do I copy trade my firms all at once? Not all of them. I have like certain accounts I do for like Silver Bullet. Certain accounts I do for like other trades. Like I have a set aside one. I haven't started on it, but like the 930 was going to be a separate account, and whatever else it is, Captain Backtest separate account. So if we look at what the market has done, right? NQ is slowly grinding up. So if you're in a long, like you're kind of just like, you know, you're getting paid, but like I like the moves where it moves 20 points in 2 minutes, not 15 minutes, right? And then ES hasn't really gone anywhere, right? Like, what is that? Hasn't really done much. I don't understand where he went long, you guys. Where did he go long? Did he just go long in like the tap back into the mitigation block? I'll have to look at it because I haven't been watching him. Some of you guys are watching both, but yeah, apparently the ICD got stopped out here. This is not like a safe place to put a stop because there's a fair value gap and it wasn't balanced yet. I guess in the end, this was a safe spot to put a stop and take the long in this area, right? Fair value gap and mitigation block. But, you know, like I said, we moved 5 points in like 10 minutes, 12 minutes. I'm okay. I'd rather wait for like the fast moves where you know, it goes to target very quickly. The low resistance liquidity runs. This is still high resistance. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if now it just like decides to take out this trendline liquidity and do whatever, you know. It's just like not, hasn't been the best for New York AM session. Like honestly, in like the past like week, right? Like during the CPI week, that was amazing, right? I think I had like a 5-day winning streak. And then last week, very mixed. Friday was good. Made back money. Made the money on for the week on Friday essentially. That this week I'm pretty much break even. And that's fine by me. Like I don't feel the pressure to make money to prove myself to anyone. That's why I'm not gonna do Robins. I'm not even ready for that. Some people have been tagging me in that. I'm not ready by any means. I'm not a consistent trader yet. Like don't follow my trades. And still getting the hang of it. Like adding that kind of pressure is just gonna wreck you. Maybe in a couple years or maybe next year, we'll see. But like I don't know why people do Robins over the US Investing Championship. I would be more interested in the US Investing Championship. It's called US, but like it is worldwide. But I think it's because Robins is like free to enter, and they have pretty bad commissions actually, bad spreads and commissions. I've seen people like complain about that. So like, why would I even have a headache with that? But the US Investing Championship is like $1,000 to enter, I believe. So I don't know. I'm not doing the Robins. I can let the men fight it out, you know. I can sit with my popcorn. I don't even know how that's gonna go. It hasn't started yet. They're starting like February 6th, I think. Hopefully this channel's making you money. If you live in New York City, bills have to be insane, someone asked. Yeah. Um it is really high cost of living. YouTube doesn't pay much, honestly. Last month. But last month was my first month I got paid on YouTube, and I got paid $670. And this month so far on YouTube, I've made 1,400. So not bad. It helps, but like most of the money is not really from YouTube. It's mostly from the affiliate links and stuff like that, and it's been pretty helpful. Like I appreciate you guys for when you use my codes and stuff and the links in the descriptions. That's starting to take off. Let me see. Someone the moderators get back to me. Fix going live right now. Okay, try registering now, you guys, for the account. Do I have a Top Step code? The link is in the description. You don't have like codes. Top Step doesn't give discount codes to affiliates, unfortunately. It's pretty much always the same price unless they do like some firm-wide discount, but like whenever you use my like link, it helps. Ha, Surfskate, you're funny. ICT took a trade. It was a loss, and he said they were watching him. It was a paper trade. I don't really understand. I mean, the market makers could be watching him. If he has, how many people are watching him? Like 6,000 or something? Let me see. You guys, it's such a slow market right now. I kind of feel like we should like troll somebody. Is Patrick still alive? Yes. I think it would be kind of funny, you guys. Let's like you guys, let's do this. go to the stream, come back because we're going to do the giveaway, but say the Bagel Club is here. Go to Patrick's stream. Let's like troll him. Let's troll him. Cause oh, he's listening to me. Yeah, on Friday I'm gonna be on Patrick's stream, you guys, so definitely come through for that. Oof. Wow, he's being funny. Crazy. Okay, so we had that quick squeeze up for ES. So ICT got stopped out there, you're telling me, and then it ran up. So he's saying the market makers are watching. I don't know. So it turns out that that trade did work out. Oh well. So this was the trade that we had marked out, but like I said, I don't even know if I would have gone filled. It's exactly 50%. And I didn't take it, so it's like a 2R. You can find a 2R trade like every day. I would not have held it all the way up there. It's uncharted territory now. So this is sort of just like market spooling, market doing price discovery. Yeah, that's alright though. But yeah, thanks, you guys did the best. You guys did a good job. We confused him. I think he is literally watching my stream though, because how is it that like he heard me talking about him and then started talking about me? He has eyes everywhere. Yeah, looks like that ES was the cleaner subject than NQ. But that's fine. I didn't get in because I didn't want to. I didn't think that still wasn't like high probability conditions, honestly, for me to get in. Could have gone 2R. Yeah, I mean, that's how he is. He's intimidated by our power. Oh man, you had a turn, yes, because ICT was thank you. What are we doing? Looking for long unicorn setup on ES at all-time highs? Sure. Oh no, it didn't go to actually all-time highs for ES yet. Sure. This is now unicorn. Can mark that out and watch and see what happens. Now like Captain Backtoes doesn't play. I think ES has been the move recently. We're almost at 20K. Can we get to 20K by the end of the live stream? We'll see. That's such a huge move up. This is technically like Captain Backtest is in play. And now you wait for the entry. We need like DXY to essentially start fading off here. Otherwise it's gonna go back into this fair value gap. That's not gonna be really that fun. Right? I mean, low, high, lower, low. This is like bearish. It's huge bearish breaker, but like it's not really that. I need it to start like literally falling off here. It's like a daily fair value gap. Can we get to 20K? You guys, is the link working now to make an account? Hey, where are you born? Let me just give you all the details. I said Queens. Patrick has a higher pitched voice than me, do you think? That's kind of funny. That's actually kind of hilarious if that's true. And was I born in a hospital? Yeah, obviously. You guys are so interesting. I sound like Optimus Prime. When's the giveaway? Probably like around 11. You guys are asking weird questions. See if DXY rejects this. Then it should be smooth sailing. Alright, being disrespectful will get you banned. Do. No, you gotta use the link that I put up there, or else you're not gonna get put in the giveaway. Don't listen to other people. You should give us secret signals to troll Patrick while on stream on Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna be on this stream on Friday, which we would do. We should just say the Bagel Club is here. Honestly, I think that's funny. Buenos dias. Patrick went long, 30 contracts, and just got stopped out. LOL. That's why I don't just like blindly short or long at all time highs. But, am I using my AirPod mics for audio? Yeah, his spy on Patrick, duh. Well, we just trolled him. And yesterday I was listening to ICT stream, but I couldn't do it today. I just have different ideas and models. It doesn't make sense for me. I don't need him anyway. So actually, you know what I noticed is like, you know, I don't think that this is actually high probability for it to bounce here. It's because like it just noticed like when it creates it like before pre-market, it's just not. It typically doesn't hold. I wouldn't be surprised if it bleeds through. I wouldn't blindly buy this either because like there was no retracement during this. It was just straight up. So like I said, like it's likely it like retraces deeply, in my humble opinion. Like it could retrace even to like CEF this way. Just crazy conditions. I don't know. Patrick Wieland. It's on. I'm gonna be on his live stream on Friday. Anyway, we're gonna do the giveaway in 10 minutes. Yeah, ICT showed us how we should not trade. It says it's fully live and working now. That's what they said. Hello from Russia. Hello. How to enter the giveaway? Check out the pinned comment. And then add around. We made him fucking put on members only chat. That's too funny. That's too funny. Oh no, he just wanted to do an email. Anyway, I'm done watching him for sure. We're done. We're gonna do the giveaway in 10 minutes. Have you guys been able to make the accounts? Let me know. You have to be subscribed, and you have to make the MyFundedFutures account. And step 3 is when I put out a Google form in about like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Looks like ES is retracing in that area. For the captain backtest model, I would just like wait for the entry. Did you guys take a trade today? Put out a poll for that. Actually kind of interested. Learn from your mistakes yesterday. It's funny. Okay, so I'm watching this. But for the captain backtest model, essentially, this is the retracement, and now you need like a green candle closing above a previous candle. So that's not even triggered. I don't even know if that would get triggered by 11:15. If it's not, then I won't really get into it. So it doesn't really look like DXY is rejecting this level right now. It's not the best. Actually, wait, this is not what I wanted. This is really, it is actually. Okay. Hourly order block, 15-minute order block. So it is looking pretty good for higher. Okay. Limit to 1 response, yes. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna send out now the form, and then like I'll give you guys like 5 or 10 minutes to fill it out because I'm asking you a short question where I want to know what your main strategy is, just in 2 minutes or less. Okay. No, I didn't take a trade today. Not yet. Okay. Now I'm going to edit this pinned message as well. Do 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 do. Ba da bum bum bum. The ES is already up 6% on the day. Yeah, I'm putting out a new pin right now in the chat. Why is my screen like loading all of a sudden? Jesus. Why isn't that? Okay. Because you can't put 2 links in one message. Yeah. That's fine. Then I'll just put it in step 3. In the chat. I mean, like, people should know. Step 3, fill out this form that I put in the chat up there. Alright. Okay. And we are gonna start. We're gonna do it at 11:10, I think is a good time. Let me see if Captain Backtest triggers here. Whether this Candle closes above this one or not? Okay, they're saying sorry as an apology. We will get 3. Oh, we're gonna give out 3 more expert funded accounts, so we'll have 8 winners, you guys. It says their email. That's so it's the one that says it says your email already exists. It's because you should be logging in, not registering. Yeah, you should log in, not register. But they didn't make an account yet. They should give everybody a 50K. You get a 50K. You get a 50K. You get a 50K. I might take the long on ES. We'll think about it. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. How many people so far? How many people? Responses? Only 200 responses. Interesting. We have 1,400 people here, though. So I'll give you guys, like, the final step to... Alright. Okay, so if you have an error signing up, but you have a user profile, it's all good to go. So try again. And it should work. We'll do the giveaway at 11:15. Okay, so it broke above this, so now to enter that, I would have to go there. But do I actually think that today is a trending day? Not really, to be honest, so I don't think I'll take that trade. And DXY is again not. If DXY started to like bleed here, then I would, but it's not. So it looks like it's gonna go for this high, honestly, more than anything. I don't know. I feel like it wicked it twice now. It should start bleeding lower. Like I said, I think that this is going to be a deeper retracement, so maybe the afternoon is better. I need to think about this. It's 11. It's after 11, so it makes things like blah. Let's refresh my page. 240 responses. Well, I'll give you guys until 11:15 because of the difficulties. But like so far, it's looking good for whoever submitted the Google form. Okay, it didn't even trigger the buy there, so it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's gonna retrace deeper, and by 11:15 it won't give any long entry. It looks like DXY is gonna go for this because it's high resistance conditions. It's not just gonna respect every order block or whatever. It broke this low, now it's gonna go for this internal liquidity for DXY. I'm gonna have nothing for me. I'm pretty happy with how I filtered out trades today. So, where's the Google form? Here. Yeah, no trade day for me too now. How do you sign up for the prop firm? It's pinned. It's the pinned thing in the live chat. Step 1 and 2 are pinned in the live chat. Step 3 is the Google form. This way we do it, we give it out to the people who are like actual viewers holding out. So yeah. I'm not focused. I mean, I didn't want to go short. I was looking for a long and I filtered out the long. So, no. I think I'm fine. Thank you very much, though. Surf Skate FX, you make some comments. You are on thin ice with me, actually. Sometimes you make nice comments, sometimes you make questionable ones. Hello, how much hold your trade? What does that even mean? I didn't get into a trade. Pay attention. Pay attention. Today's day was all about, today's trading day was all about filtering and staying safe in high resistance conditions. Same thing as yesterday. Maybe I'll have energy for an afternoon trade. Actually, I have to get ready. I don't think I'll do an afternoon session because I have to get ready for Florida. I literally have to pack. I don't even know what I'm doing right now with that. All winter clothes right now. I have to like find my summer or springish clothes, right? Okay, we got some people. MyFundedFutures in the chat. I made him a moderator, so you'll see his messages as blue. If you have any questions, show the subscriber thing. Sure, yeah. We're almost there, you guys. We're almost there. I'll pick. What if I make you guys wait until we hit 20,000? You guys get so pissed at me. That's not what I'm gonna do. But I think I will continue to stream until 20k. And just like read some price until then. I don't know. But like literally DXY is going for internal liquidity. It looks like that this is gonna be a deeper retracement. It just really just ran through all-time highs by like an extra like 60 points NQ. Thank God we did not. God, we filtered this short here. We did not take this short at all. Okay. No shorts. Hey, perhaps now, you have your DXYs pushing up. You have this IOFED. We have this break of a low with a fair value gap for NQ. Yeah. However, it would be a large stop, I believe, right? Not that large. Yeah. As DXY is pushing there. Do we take a fun short on an account for fun? Yeah, I mean, why not? Yeah, why not? I mean, it's kind of far away. It would be a large stop at this point. Meh. Like, where are you going for? Probably like here. Like, that would be 1-to-1, unfortunately, if I entered here. It's not. Now it should be like, after the kill zone. It would be like a pretty bad RR. I'd have to wait for like a retracement. I kind of like the displacement, so I think I will try that short. If it comes up there, though. If I miss it, then whatever. Then I was doing the giveaway stuff, so. But this was the idea for that. You can show that. The idea. The idea. 2 more minutes and then I will be choosing this. Yeah, it looks like this is a low resistance liquidity run lower. As DXY is, like I said, you know more about the market by like what it's not gonna do. Like DXY failed to you know, reject here these order blocks, the last line in the sand, it rejected twice and then it's ripping up, so therefore it's going for this internal liquidity. And now that's like more of like, I believe, better for indice short. I don't know. Perhaps I will try it if it comes back up for a little 1.8R. We're doing the giveaway though, but so it wouldn't be fair. This trade alert view shell shocked you. Did it give me an alert? When? I didn't even hear it. Is ICT still live? You know what's funny? So like the reason why I changed is because some people were complaining about the last one. So I'll was it my alert that right now? I didn't even hear it. Let me turn off the desktop audio for you guys. I guess like my own audio out here, yeah, is off. Oh yeah, it was through the headphones. Oops. Okay, and I'll have your desktop audio much lower. Okay. So you'll still hear it, but not as high. Okay, it's just dripping lower. So when this happens, like, it's not going to come back up here. So if anything, you just put your... It's fine. It's fine. Like I said, I anticipate deeper tracement. That was the trade, like the good trade of the day, in my opinion. But yeah. Wasn't all that bad on your end. We're gonna give out 8 accounts now because of the they said like sorry for like the technical difficulties. Okay, so let's see how many people filled out this form. 349 people for 8 accounts. That's pretty good probabilities for you guys to win. So you guys ready? Are you ready for this? Do. Okay, so I'm gonna see the responses. I'm gonna make like a new sheet where I don't have your like personal stuff. I'll just copy your first name and your main strategy. You literally have like... I'm refreshing the page, and then I'm gonna do the giveaway. Okay. Okay, congrats to everyone who is on here right now. Okay. Someone tried to get it in last second. It says risk management. Okay, I'll give you guys literally 2 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more minutes. Meh. Alright, I'm happy like I didn't even enter this trade because like it's not delivering quickly. I wouldn't want to have been part of this one either. Okay. Alright, you guys, we're doing the giveaway right Now I'm copying and pasting all of everyone who submitted it, your first name and your main strategy in a separate sheet. File, new sheet. We're almost at we might hit it during the stream, you guys. That'd be kind of cool. Okay. So I'm picking random number generator. From 2 to 380. And the way, like, I'm just gonna, whoever like wins, I already have your email. So I'm giving your email to the crew. Good luck to everybody. Okay. $247 is the first winner. Can you guys see my screen well? Yeah. 247. Congrats to Dwayne. Your strategies, price action, and support and resistance. Okay. Congrats to our first winner. We're doing 8. Okay, so 1 is done. Generate again. 350. Someone who recently filled it out towards the end. Henry. Congratulations. Your main strategy is the 2022 mentorship. Cool. Right? Yeah. What did I just do there, though? Okay, yeah, that's fine. 351. Okay. Okay, generate 188. That's number 3. Winner number 3. Rainhard. London session, silver bullet, ICT 2022 model entry right after previous session liquidity sweep. That is solid. That is silver bullet to the T. Okay, winner number 4. 146. Daniel. Trade the first 10 a.m. candle on the S&P and look for the SPX gap. Okay, so like the RTH gap. Awesome, congrats. Okay, so we did 4 of them, right? Let's see the chat. 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Okay. 94. Congrats to Bush, your 2022 model and power of 3. That's the best ICT mentorship, my opinion, 2022 model. Okay, that was number 5. Number 6, 154. Oh, you're not gonna win, whoever that is. So everyone gets a second chance for number 6, 143. Joel. Congrats, Joel. Wait for liquidity to be taken. Break of structure and look for entry on FEG ICT 2022 model. What was that? Number 6, right? I thought I was gonna like lose count. I think that was number 6. I have 2 more. Let me just quickly look. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2 more. And we're gonna hit 20K soon, you guys. 2 more. Oh, looks like Captain Backtest is about to. It did trigger. Captain backtest long triggering. So this is no longer the short. This is no longer short, in fact. This is a long idea. Okay, two more. Not on NQ. The idea is triggering on ES, actually. Like, you would get long here. It's actually interesting where it paused. Okay, two more. Let's see if I, oops, how do I, it's like stuck between two screens right now. That's awful. To figure this out real quick. I'm trying to like get the top right corner of this. Okay. Hopefully. Oh my god. Okay, yes, I got it. I was literally like, this little thing was stuck between two monitors. That's the worst when that happens. Okay, two more. 319. Rohan. Higher time frame bias. Where's the fill-in thing? Where's like the bucket fill? So I can see it. Okay, higher time frame bias, high impact news day, liquidity sweep in opposite direction, market structure shift with displacement in direction of bias. Market structure shift with displacement. Yeah. In direction of bias. 5-minute fair value gap or lower. Okay, in the displacement leg. So you can go on the 3-minute. TP at 50% of internal range liquidity. Smart not to go for the external. Stop at rate extreme. You took 3.5 handles on ES today. Nice. Your entry was ICT stop loss on his first trade. So you needed to brag a little bit. I got you. Oh, here's the bucket fill. You had to brag a little bit in your your stop is my entry, right? That's like the I've learned is the classic ICT thing. Anyway, last one. It's a classic troll type of comment. 211 is the last one. The 8th winner. Siddharth. And order block and price action is your. So congrats to everybody. And I'll just pass along your emails to the crew. And you guys will get your accounts like today because they're pretty good with it. But yeah, thank you for MyFundedFutures for giving away the accounts, and thanks to everyone for coming. We're gonna be back here at 9:15 a.m. tomorrow, and on Friday we're gonna be on Patrick Whelan's stream, so that other channel that I linked earlier. Tanya, when's the next giveaway? Probably sometime next week. We do some pretty often. And you want to see me hit 20k? I mean, we'll see if people like remain subscribed or not. We could actually see this go down for people to troll, but we'll see. We could read price here. So price on NQ didn't trigger captain backtest. It didn't close above a previous high. If it inverts this, then if it closes above CE of this fair value gap, I would think that goes higher. Yep. It's actually going lower. It's not, I don't know if we'll get 20k subs by then. We'll see if people roll in from ICT stream. Okay, you guys want to stick around for 20k? We'll see if it hits. Congrats to the winners, though. You just need 15 more. It's going down. That's how it usually goes. Who's misleading? Yeah, I know. That's why I said, like, some people are just gonna do that, but it's fine. So the ES is looking more bullish than NQ, honestly. I think ES is probably the better candidate for longs. We're going lower. I don't know if we're gonna hit 20K. Yeah, people that don't win are gonna. Let's see if we should enter the trade for ES. ES. The entry was down here. Long. Here. Stop 5 points. The thing is, I don't think ES is gonna move like a lot more in the afternoon. I don't know. It is, DXY is starting to go lower actually now. Yeah, so this just is not valid, in my opinion, not good for shorts, more for longs. I'm just reading based on Captain Backtest. Entry would be this. But like I said, difficult conditions. Do you think that today's a trend day? I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's more like a deep retracement whack day. Maybe the afternoon will be better. Go up. Okay, we're back to 85, you guys. We're talking about the sub count, right? You guys want to see the subs? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Up. Let's see. We just need 14 more. It might be like a few more, 10 more minutes or so. Oh. Party in the house. Let me see if it's better like this. Nine more. Let's hit 20K. Gonna party. It's a Wednesday. 4 more. Let's go. Pump it up. Can I get 4 more? Is it like when there's like 4 more ticks until you take profit? Watch it like go lower now. Oh, it did go. 6 more. Oh. Some people are taking this time to troll me, I see. Two more. Woo! We hit 20K. Woo! 20K, and we did a giveaway. So much fun. Okay, people really are trolling right now, huh? I'll do a giveaway. How about on my Twitter? I'll probably do a Twitter giveaway. Or Instagram. So make sure you have me, because I also do giveaways on there. Twitter, I've done giveaways. So check out my socials in the description. Check out my Instagram. We're almost at 10K on Instagram. Kind of crazy. Woo, we hit 20K, and now it's just like... Okay, I think now we're past it a little bit. I don't think I'll get trolled anymore. Woo, W in the chat, W. But yeah, check out my Instagram. That's where I put like highlights from the streams. And yeah, I mean, there we go. I feel like we did, on the last giveaway we hit 15K, so it's kind of cool that this one we hit 20K. So crazy, you guys. I'm so thankful for you. And I actually do enjoy streaming. So we'll see you back here tomorrow at 9:15, and I hope everyone stayed safe today. And stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow.